Hi guys, and welcome back to another edition of TCW TV. You join us here today on the balcony. It is a beautiful and sunny and scorching day in Manchester. We don't get very many of these, so I'm going to take advantage and do some filming on the balcony. So just before we get started, I do want to put the record straight on something. On our last video, we took the GP3 out on a track day, and if you remember, my girlfriend took me out on a hot lap, and I've had lots of comments about people saying you look petrified and you look terrified, and the answer to that is 100% I was. And do you know what? I didn't realise how much of a control freak I was, but to put the record straight, that had nothing to do with Adele's driving. That was 100% me just being a control freak. Adele absolutely nailed it. I'm gutted that we didn't have that as a time lap, because I reckon if that was a time lap, that could have been one of the fastest laps out there. So again, like I said, nothing to do with the driving, just me being a control freak. I never realised how much I was. So again, if you guys haven't seen it yet, it's very hilarious, it's very entertaining, seeing me petrified. So make sure you like and subscribe and go back and check out the last video. So today we're going to be hanging out with the guys from Can Do 360 Solutions. This is actually one of the companies I'm involved with. These guys do some cool stuff. They've got some cool kit. They're involved in the virtual reality world, so they do some amazing 360 photography. I suppose in this day and age where we can't maybe go to the shop sometimes, or maybe we're in lockdown, this is where this technology really comes in. And like I said, it's some really cool stuff. It allows customers to experience, buy, purchase, to explore spaces without having to actually be there. And again, it's allowing clients to be able to promote their products, maybe if customers can't come to them, and it's equally allowing customers to experience and to really get a feel for products or spaces that are on offer. So I suppose, like all other businesses, Can Do has actually had to learn to evolve and adapt in these new times. And we've had to find new ways to find new business. We've gone from working with big corporate clients across many different industries, theatres, cinemas, football clubs. So I suppose a good example is Manchester City. We did virtual tours of their whole facilities at the football stadium and their training facilities, and they'll use this to promote their directors' boxes, maybe showcase their training facilities to future sponsors. And it allows their clients and their customers to be able to experience the spaces without actually being there. It's pretty special and amazing. There's only so many football clubs out there that you can approach, and we are looking at new ways that we can evolve and do different things. And some of the clients that because we've had to think outside the box, some of the clients that we're working with now have been really rewarding. We've been involved a lot with schools. So schools came to us and says, we can't do open days for kids anymore, but we want them to still experience the classroom that they're going to be going to. We want the parents to be able to walk around the school and be able to see the spaces and feel confident that their kid is going to a great school that looks good. So schools have come to us and asked us to do virtual tours, and we've been sending out packs to the parents. So instead of coming in for an open day, they would get a pack, they'd get some 3D virtual goggles in there so they can pop the phone in, put the goggles on, and actually experience the classroom as if they were there, and get to meet the teachers, because there'll be video links to the teachers saying hello, welcome to this school. It's been really rewarding and pretty special to be working with new clients. And to be honest, if it wasn't for the COVID-19, we probably wouldn't have thought about working with different clients like schools. But like I said, been very rewarding, and I'm looking forward to finding new clients that we can work with in the future. So we're going to give you a snippet of how the technology works. We're actually going to do a virtual tour of the GP3. So we'll do a full walk around. You'll be able to sit in it, sit in the passenger seat. You'll be able to go in the boot. You'll be able to sit in the driver's seat. So if you guys at home have got any 3D goggles, it enhances the experience. Make sure you pop your phone in and have a proper look around. I'll put some video links in there as well to some different stuff. It is very immersive, and it's really cool to look at. And again, it'll give you an idea how you could use that in different areas. So let's get down there, let's go and see the guys in action, see how the technology works. little bit of a change of plan today. We was going to do a 360 tour of the Mini GP3. We still will be doing that, and we're releasing that at a later date, so keep your eyes peeled. We decided to come down to Central Detailing in Manchester. These guys have got an amazing fit out here. They do an amazing job with the cars. For me, I've been bringing my car here for years, and they're probably the best detailing company in the Northwest. So we've decided to do a 360 tour here. They've got a Panamera in, and they've got a BMW in, and they've got some amazing facilities. So we'll do a little bit of a 360 tour of the location, and then you'll actually get to sit into the Panamera as well and have a look around it as if you were actually there. So to really show you how the virtual tours work and how it all comes together. Okay, so that's it for another day. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the virtual tours. The Mini GP3 virtual tour will be coming very soon, so keep your eyes peeled. But I'd like to say thank you to the boys down at Central Detailing in Manchester. It's an amazing location. It's been great to do some filming down here today, and they do an amazing job with the cars as well. So thanks to them boys. Thanks to Can-Do 360 Solutions. Always doing an amazing job, and like I said, some of the stuff that they deal with the virtual tours is pretty impressive. We'll just give you a little snippet today of how it can work in a garage and with cars as well. So that's it for today. As I said, make sure that you like and subscribe and tune in for the next video.